How to change language in MetaMask app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in MetaMask app. To change the language in MetaMask, first of all, open your MetaMask application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, you will need to tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once doing that, now you will reach to this page. Here on the very top, you will be able to see the general settings option. Tap on this general, and once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll a bit down. There you will be able to locate current language option. Currently, English is selected. Now to change it, you just simply need to tap on this drop down icon, and from this drop down list of available language, here you will need to select the preferred language. Simply tap on that language and the app will automatically switch to that language. If in case you want to revert back to the previous language, simply repeat the steps and select your preferred language again. So by following these steps, you can easily change the language in your MetaMask app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.